Working on a design project with teammates, Penpot makes collaboration simple by letting multiple people work on the same project, review designs, and share feedback in one place. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to collaborate in Penpot in 2026, from inviting team members to managing permissions and reviewing changes. Begin by signing in to your Penpot account. From the dashboard, either open an existing project or create a new one if you're starting from scratch. Once your project is ready, open the design file you want to collaborate on. Next, click the Share button near the top of the workspace. Enter the email addresses of the teammates you want to invite. Once you've added everyone, send the invitations so they can access the project. Before sending invitations, choose the appropriate permission level for each person. Depending on your workspace settings, you may be able to give editing access or view-only access, so selecting the correct permission helps keep your project organized and secure. Once your teammates join the project, everyone can contribute to the design. Team members can update layouts, edit components, refine typography, and improve the overall interface. As changes are made, keep an eye on the latest version of the design so everyone stays aligned. During the design process, review comments, suggestions, or feedback from your collaborators if those features are available in your workspace. Discuss revisions, make improvements, and continue refining the design until everyone is satisfied with the result. To make collaboration even smoother, organize your files with clear names, group related assets, and use reusable components whenever possible. A well-structured project is much easier for everyone to understand, maintain, and build on over time. And that's it. You've learned how to collaborate in Penpot in 2026. With the right workflow, teamwork becomes faster, more organized, and much more efficient. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more Penpot tutorials, and thanks so much for watching.